The ants and cockroaches will not be a problem again. Thanks to this trick that I will show you today, the mosquitoes will stay away from your house. And the best of all is that it can be prepared with ingredients that you already have in your... To start with today's tip, we put a pot on the stove and then add 300 milliliters of water. Next, we are also going to add 5 bay leaves. You can use both green and dry, both work for the E. Now we will put it on medium heat and leave it until the water boils. Once it is boiling, we turn off the heat and very carefully remove the pot from the stove. Next, we are going to take only the liquid to another container, and we will do this with the help of a strainer. If you don't have one, you can also leave the liquid in the pot and remove the leaves with a spoon. We are going to add 100 milliliters of vinegar. Now we will also add a teaspoon of baking powder, and if you don't have it, you can use yeast. And then we will mix the ingredients until they are integrated. When I showed my friends this trick, they all started using it in their homes. Surely all the ingredients I am using here you have at home. This mixture will solve the problem with insects without spending almost anything. I would like to know from which city or country you are watching us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Luis Enriquez from the Dominican Republic. After mixing it well, we will add 100 milliliters of alcohol, which will be our last ingredient. And we will mix everything again. Only with this small amount and applying it in the right places, insects will never enter your again. You can use this amount that we prepare for a long time and only when necessary. What is essential is to have this mixture ready and use it as soon as necessary. To facilitate its application, we are going to take this mixture to an atomizer jar. This way it is easier to store and the waste of the product is avoided. We will use the help of a funnel to pour it into the jar. If you just took it off the fire, it is likely to be hot, so do it very carefully. Then we will just cover it, and it is ready to use. This mixture can be applied directly where you already have problems with insects. Or you can apply it on furniture, windows, and doors. This will prevent you from having contact where the product was applied. If you have reached this part, leave me the word, "No more insects." So I will know that you saw the video until the end. www.autobach.com